Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create a numbered list on Google Docs. I show you guys how to do that. Just highlight over whatever text lines you want to create a numbered list for and select format tab over here and select bullets numbering and select numbered list menu, and in here you can able to see various formatting of the number list. You can select one of these by your preferences. I'm gonna select this first one, and as you can see, you can able to see the number list over here. You can press enter. You can press enter to add a number list between it, or you can also press in keyboard backspace to free up between one line to one line. You can add anything here in between these lines just like this. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.